Okay, so we have bubbling. It took a moment, but maybe it was just, I think it was just not enough voltage. Now there's enough voltage, I think, because now they're also really constant. In the first try with 2 volts, it just dipped immediately and made weird shapes, went back and forth, like, I don't know, it overcame the resistance and then it maybe, I don't know, something fell off again. But now we're bubbling. We also have bubbling in the sodium hydroxide solution, which is great because then, supposedly, ideally, I'm not poisoning myself with chlorine gas right now, and also not creating any like flammable hydrogen. So, yeah, let's keep this going a bit. Let's observe here and see if anything explodes.